front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and hit all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders, tap on a chosen photo, and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!